Also, it's only right to wear spring twists as your protective style. If you're curious on learning this cute and quick technique, then let's get into it. Okay, beautiful ladies, so I'm going to show y'all how I installed these spring twists from Toyotress hair. Thank you guys for sponsoring yet another video. Instead of just doing one color, I thought it would be fun to add in a pop of color, so I'm using 1B and T27 to create this look. I already have a separate video on how I created my braiding pattern. Now this one was somewhat different. As you notice here, the first 3 braids I did on the sides are just regular cornrows, and then once I got to the middle is where I did my normal ladder method to give it an individual braiding illusion. This just made it more quicker for me, honestly, because your girl had a lot to do that day, so I was just trying to get on the go. But anyway, at the back, I just completed it by cornrolling the rest of it back and then braided it into a ball. If I'm being quite honest with you guys, I wanted to just fill my hair up with the T27, so I was confused at first on whether or not to add the 1B or not. So that's why I started first with the T27 color. And once I inserted it in, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to test it out and try it. Do the first row, see how it looks. Maybe the first 2 rows. And if it looked good, then I'll keep going. So after a while, you know, it did start looking good. And one thing about spring twists, guys, like, I used to think they were ugly, like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, but since I've installed these and had these in my hair for a few days now, these are like the cutest things ever. I done had so many compliments from left to right, all over, different races. Like, the hair is literally bomb, so you can't knock it till you try it, and I'm so glad I was able to try it and show you guys. So the T27 just adds highlights to your hair, and I just think it's the cutest, most suitable color to put in your head for spring. Also, the length I have in is in 8 inches, and they do give you a good amount of hair, so you don't have to worry about running out of packs or running out of hair, because it does come with 7 packs, and each pack does have 18 strands, and they are pre-twist, so this is what makes it much easier, less time consuming. But yeah, furthermore, this is the shortest crochet length I've ever had, and I was so pleased with the results. I would definitely recommend people to get this, especially if you're one of those type of people who get hot easily and you don't like all that hair hanging and dangling down your neck, etc. This will be perfect for you. It's not too long. And overall, y'all, now that I think about it, this is like the perfect hair for twist styles. Just soft to touch. So if you are natural and you don't feel like twisting your own hair, this will be a great alternative just to try to put this in your hair, because you won't even be able to tell, honestly, unless somebody just all up in your head, you know, just all up in it. But if they're further away, they would definitely not be able to tell. And just imagine, once that hairstyle starts getting old, you don't even have to take it out right away. You can just unravel the twist and watch that curl pattern look the bomb. Like, ooh, I can just picture it now. Alright guys, so this is me with the full head of spring twists. I'm not sure how many packs I use, and don't mind my boyfriend back there. But yeah, I used enough. It isn't heavy at all. Again, they are short, so why would it be heavy? But here I'm just putting on some Gorilla Snot gel just to do my edges. And you guys know I take my time with the edges, okay? I first comb them down, then I start to brush them and loop them. And yeah, curl them up. Y'all know how I do. Alright, so this is me the next morning. Once my hair is all done, it's time for me to just style it up. And I always choose to do a half up, half down, because I just think that's the cutest style to do when your hair is fresh. And it's very simple. You're not doing too much, you're not doing too less. And I'm not sure if you guys noticed or not, but I am filming on my iPhone from here on out. Something happened to my camera, which I'll get into at another day. But the quality still isn't that bad. It still looks sharp though, so that's all that matters. Now y'all, look at here. You guys see all these extra spaces in the top of my head? Like, listen, All that right there, sis, that's not cute. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and take out some of the leftover spring twists I had and just try to fill those areas in because I want my hair to look as full as possible. I don't like that little ghetto dangly look in the front. I don't know what you want to call it, but that ain't cute. So just to fill it up and make it look more presentable, that's what I'm going to do here. So once I'm pretty much done filling up the spaces in the front, I'll just take down my hair and just add those pieces in. And then from there, we have a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if the style looks cute to you guys. Would you try it? If you are interested on trying, you know where to find the links down in the description box below. Get one for you, your friend, your sister, your mother. Just pass the word on because during this spring season, ain't no struggling trying to find a protective style when you got it here, okay? As always, like, comment, subscribe, follow your girl on the gram, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.